I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the simplest path, Cloud Link or an app. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi and unlocked. This speeds transfers. If you pick Google Photos, install it on Android and sign in. On the iPhone, enable backup or export to Google Photos. If you prefer an iCloud link, open Photos on the iPhone and select Images to create a shareable link. Once done, decide whether you'll send a link, upload files, or use a direct transfer app. Now execute the transfer. If using Google Photos, upload the selected media from your iPhone, tap Share, then create link, copy it. If using iCloud links, select Photos in Photos, choose Copy iCloud link and paste into a message to the Android user. For documents, open files, save to Google Drive or Dropbox, then share the file link. If the file is small, attach it to an email and send directly. Make sure you grant viewing or download permissions before sending. Finish by having the Android device open the received link or app and download the files into local storage. On Android, move items from downloads to photos or files as needed. If something fails, first check that the link permissions allow anyone with link to view, then confirm both devices have working Wi-Fi. If large files time out, reupload compressed versions or use a wired USB transfer via a computer. One key tip: toggle airplane mode off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.